How to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. Without any further ado, let us get right into the video. So first thing you do is open up Instagram app and then find a post where you want to add collaboration. To do that, head over to your profile by tapping on the bottom right of your screen. Once you land on your profile page, you can just go ahead and select a picture or a video where you want to add a collaboration. So let's say if I want to add collaboration on this reel right here, what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and tap on the three lines. And then from here, you have an option to edit. Once you tap on edit, as you can see here, you have an option to tag people. So from here, you can invite collaborators. Tap on invite. Now search for their username and then go ahead and just click on their name. Now invite to collaborate and you should be good to go. Tap on the top right corner, tap on done. Once they accept your invitation, their name also should be shown right below your post where both of you are collaborators on this particular post. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll catch you on the next video.